the clue and what is the meaning of frightened?
Oh, they got it, guys.
Why? What's the meaning of frightened? Missy was frightened of thunder. She afraid of many things. Whatever, wala frightened.
Wow, anak lang.
Scared? Not scared, di ha, wala.
Hello.
Afraid. Unsa na?
Afraid.
Scared also correct. Pero, wala ka diha. Afraid ang igamit, but also afraid is also scared. Frightened. Nakadlo. Okay, next. Billy looked cross. Billy looked cross. He is angry with Joe. Because he left him. Because he left him. Billy looked cross. He is angry with Joe because he left him. What's the ano? Angry? Billy looked cross. He is angry. Cross? Okay. Number 4. We can see air. No, hindi na nakakita ang air. Nakakita mo ang hangin. Ano sa air? Hangin. Nakakita rin yung hangin. Wala. Wala. So, it is invisible. So, what do
We
we
can
find?
see air. It is
Invisible.
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 So, may nakakita na. Can't see.